In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new bank account in Zoho Books. Setting up a bank or credit card account in Zoho Books keeps your records clean and makes reconciliation much easier. Let's walk through the process from the dashboard so you know exactly where to click and what each field means. Start by heading to the left sidebar and opening the banking section. This is your central place for all cash, bank, and card accounts. Once you're there, look for the option to add a new account. Click Add Bank or Credit Card to begin creating the account record you'll use for tracking transactions. On the next screen, choose Add Account. This takes you to the setup form. At the top, select the account type. Pick bank if it's a checking, savings, or cash management account, or choose credit card. If you're setting up a card you'll use for business expenses, selecting the correct type ensures Zoho Books treats the balance and statements correctly. Now give your account a clear, recognizable name. Many teams include the bank name and the last four digits, or the card type, so it's easy to identify later. Choose something that matches how your organization refers to the account. Next, select the currency. Make sure this matches the currency in which the bank or card is actually denominated. If you work in multiple currencies, choosing the right one here prevents conversion issues and reporting discrepancies down the line. Enter the account number exactly as it appears with your bank or card provider. Accuracy matters, even though this field is primarily for your records in Zoho Books. Then fill in the bank name so reports and banking pages clearly show where this account lives. Add the routing number. This is the bank's identifier used for transfers and clearing. In some regions, it may be called a sort code or another local equivalent. Double check this value against an official statement or your banking portal to avoid errors. When everything looks correct, click Save. Zoho Books will create the account and you'll see it listed in your banking tab, ready to be used for categorizing transactions, recording payments, and reconciling statements. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Use a consistent naming convention across all your accounts. Confirm the currency before saving and review the account and routing numbers carefully. If you don't see the banking section or the add options, you may need the appropriate permissions from your organization's administrator. That's it. You've successfully added a new bank or credit card account in Zoho Books and you're set up for accurate, organized bookkeeping.